Namaskar, this is Durgesh Kumar Gupta. In this video, we will learn about the tense. So students, what is tense? Tense determines whether the work is done in past, present or in future. There are three types of tense. They are present tense, past tense and future tense. So what is present tense? Present tense shows the action which is going on. What is past tense? Past tense shows the action which is already finished. What is future tense? Future tense shows the action which is to be performed in future. Now, present tense, past tense and future tense are again divided into four categories. For present tense, they are present indefinite tense, which is also known as simple present tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense, present perfect continuous tense. So these are the four categories of present tense. Now, past tense. Past tense is also divided in the same way, so they are past indefinite tense or simple past tense, past continuous tense, past perfect tense, past perfect continuous tense. Types of future tense are future indefinite tense or simple future tense, future continuous tense, future perfect tense, future perfect continuous tense. So students, I will discuss about these categories in my next video. Till then, bye and have a nice day. Namaskar.